Hey everyone, Joel Trombley here, and in today's video I'm going to do an overview of my shuttle kit for my Deeper Chirp Plus 2. Okay, so this is my DIY shuttle kit for my Deeper Chirp Plus 2, and if you don't know what this is, essentially it's a smart fish finder bobber, and when you put it in the water, these two little prongs here activate and it connects wirelessly to your phone, and essentially it operates as a fish finder or depth range. Great little device. I haven't experienced any lag, and this thing lasts 15 hours. This thing's also made to be tied to your rod. You can cast it out. You can also have a mount to hook it up to your boat or your canoe or kayak and use it to do some trolling. Very comparable to more expensive or other dedicated helixes or low rants fish finders. And so as you see here, this is my little kit and caboodle set up here for ice fishing. I have an old phone set up on a mount that I can loosen, and essentially just a little mount here for your phone, easy setup, and then that is connected to a GoPro mount, which makes it easily removable, and then I can take everything off and throw it in the case when I'm ready to go. This is actually what comes with a GoPro, and I basically just self-tapped it to the top of the lid here. So that set up for that, and then that is my screen. Inside I have a battery pack. This is the Anchor battery pack. I believe it's 20,000 milliamp hours, and it allows me to charge my phone I think 5 or 6 times, which has been fair enough and good for this phone because the phone battery doesn't quite last as long as the Deeper. And essentially for that I drilled a little slot on the side there to fit the cable through, like so. Having that battery in there is really nice, and I probably will eventually upgrade and get like a 12 amp hour little lithium battery by CanBat. For now, that's been proving its worth. It's really nice to have. It's compact, it's light, easy to use. So the case itself that you see, it's a ammo box by Plano. It's a little plastic case here. I believe it's made for 30 caliber bullets, and then it has a nice rubber gasket on the inside here that keeps everything nice and watertight. So I have the bobber tethered to 40-pound fishing line here, and then on the other end I have a carabiner, so that makes it nice and easy to set up and attach to the eyelet bolt that I have inside. If I want to hop from hole to hole, I don't have to grab a bunch of things. I can just grab the handle of the box and pull the bobber out of the water and walk to the next hole. It kind of really acts like the transducer that you see on like the Helix or other fish finder flashers. The nice thing about it is that I don't have to have the phone connected to my box here. I can simply grab my phone and walk away, go in the hut, leave this outside, have visuals of my line on the water, which is really nice, especially on those colder, windy winter days. So what I like about this setup is that it's compact. It's good for running and gunning. This can sit in my backpack with my filming gear and also my fishing rods. I'm able to use this bobber in the summer for canoeing and my other backcountry trips. I'm not just limited to using this in the winter, so that's what I really like about this setup. It's small, it's compact, and I'm not going to be complaining about hauling or portaging with this setup, in my backpack while I'm on my camping trips. And so yeah, that's the setup, my little shuttle DIY box for my Deeper Chirp Plus 2.